Crewton Ramone's house math. Playing around in the classroom, a bunch of first graders here at Haiku School. So let's do 9. Remember we did 9? Have we done 9s before?
Yeah.
All right. So, how many? 9. Okay. How many now? 18. Very good. See, you do it a couple of times. The first time you see it, it's hard. The next time you see it, it's not so hard. And then the time after that, it's easy.
27.
27. Very good. Then what? 30 something. 37. 36. Good. Then what? 35. 30. Really? So wait a minute. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Very good. 50 something. 54. Then what? 63. Then what? 72. And then the square one. What's 9 times 9?
81.
Very good. Very, very good. Okay. So let's do this quickly. Remember how we did it. We did it where we said, look, what does 9 want to be? We'll put this over here. So what's it need? 1. What's 1 and 8, right? So basically we're building 10s and 9s. So there's a 10 and 8, 18. Okay, then what? The 8 wants what? 2. So then what? 2 and what? Makes 9. We're building 9. 7. There's your 27. Oh, getting close. Then what? What's 7 want to be? 10. You're getting ahead of it. And we want 3 and a 6. That's why we got 36. I'm very impressed that you guys did that. And how many times? We did that lesson, what, once, right?
No.
Maybe twice. And almost everybody in the room remembers. Because they can get their hands on it. Then we play with blocks and we'll build some 9s, we'll build some 10s, and we'll have some fun. Okay. Now, what does 6 want to be? The answer is always the same. It wants to be 10. What's it need? What's it need? What's it need? Say it out loud. What's it need? What does 6 need? 6 needs 3 to be 9, but now we're making a 10. What does 6 need to be a 10? What? 4. Very good. Okay. 4. And 4 plus how much more makes a 9? 5. Now we're going to make a 10 again. What does 5 need to be 10? 5 needs a twin if he's going to be 10. And now you can see we're just going to go back the other way, right? Okay. So now what does 4 need to be 10? Yes. 4. What does 4 need to be 10?
5. 6.
Okay, let's look and make sure, because we've got some conflicting ideas here. Here is 6. What does 6 need to be 10?
4.
Can you see what it needs to be 10?
6.
Very good. 6 needs how much every time? That's what I mean. You gotta know. Need 4. Very good. Okay. So over here, what's 4 need to be 10? 6. If 4 needs 6, then 6 needs 4. They're very happy when they're both looking for each other, right? So 6. Now, what does 6 need to be? 9? 3. Okay. Uh-oh. What does 3 need to be 10?
6.
What does 3 need to be 10?
7.
Very good. 7. Okay. Now, what does 7 need to be 9? Because we're making 9s, right? 2. And at last, what does 2 need to be 10? 8. That's our 81. 8 and 1 makes the 9. Let's put some symbols up here.
Josh and Mia?
Okay, very good job. Okay, so we built 10s and we built 9s. The 10s are kind of hiding though. The 9 and the 1, the 8 and the 2, the 7 and the 3, the 6 and the 4, the 5 and the 5, the 4 and the 6, the 3 and the 7, the 2 and the 8. Those all make sense. And we can do one more. What does 1 need to be 10? 9. There it is. And then if I went to the next one, 9 doesn't need anything to be 9, does it? Right? 9 and 0.
9 plus 0.
Right. Okay, so let's write it down. So here is, what did I do? I did 0 and 9, right? And then I just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I did 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we could keep going if we wanted to. How many 9s is that? 1, that's easy. How many 9s is this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 3 9s, how much? 3 times 9 is? Somebody raise their hand, tell me. Carson, tell me.
3.
Very good. How about 7 times 9? Go ahead.
53.
Very good. How about 9 times 9?
81.
Very good. And what shape is 9 times 9? What shape is a 9 square? Do you know? What shape? I just told you. What shape is 9 times 9? It's a square. 9 times 9 is a square number. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So now if I ask you the square root of 81, does anybody know what square root means? Look up here, look up here. You two, quit fooling around in your desk. Look up here. Yes, I'm talking to you. What? Does anybody know in the room, does anybody know, besides Julian Marcus, does anybody know what square root means? Have you ever heard the term square root? Have you ever heard of square root? What does it even look like? This is the symbol for square root. See it? And when I take the square root of 81, I just want to count one side. Because if I make a square, aren't all the sides the same in a square?
Yes.
Right? So when I have square root, this symbol tells me, make it into a square and then tell me what one side is. Can anybody tell me what one side of the square is? Raise your hand, raise your hand. Besides you, raise your hand. What is it? Do you see 8 right there?
9.
He was fooling with me. Alright. 9. Okay, what if I ask you for the square root of 9? Oh my goodness. Can I make 9 into a square? Have you guys ever built a 9 square? Can we build 9 into a square? How many is this? 3 3s.
9.
You mean 9. There you go. So 9, if I make that into a square, what's one side? One side. Look over here. What's one side? I know.
3.
It's got to be 3. Just one side. Any side I look at is 3.
Oh, now I get it.
There you go. See? That's all it is. This symbol right here, people think it's really complicated. It's not. Just make it into a square and count one side. Okay? Now, is that easy? I mean, anything hard about that?
No.
Okay, so you guys are starting to remember these guys and how to build your 10s and how to make 9s. That's the second time you've seen that. Is it easy and fun? Now you guys can build, and we're gonna make some, what should we do? We should make some pyramids out of 9, and we should make some 10s, and then we'll see. I'll tell you what, we'll put you into, we got 3 tables here, we'll do 3 teams, and we'll do that. But wait, before we do that, I want to do one quick thing.